In this video, we are going to see how to make delicious cake using Sooji or Rawa. It's an easy and healthy cake recipe without oven.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel, the Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's take a look at the recipe.
In a kadhai, add half cup salt. The color looks different because I have been reusing this salt in baking. Cover it and preheat at medium flame for 15 minutes, and you can preheat your normal convection or OTG at 180 degrees Celsius. While our kadhai is preheating, take milk. So this is 200 ml full fat milk. It should be warm or gunguna. To this add 1.5 teaspoon vinegar or sirka. Mix the milk and the vinegar well, and after that you need to let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After that we're going to add some cooking oil. So this is 3 tablespoons cooking oil. You can use refined oil or any flavorless oil. And now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, or you can also use vanilla extract. Mix everything well. Now add 1 cup powdered sugar. So this is a regular sugar which we have in our homes. Just grind it using mixer grinder and then you'll get the powder. Now add 1 cup semolina and Sooji or Rawa, the fine one, bareek wali. Then add 6 tablespoon cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed. 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. And then mix everything well. If you people would like to know the products I use or the similar products, you can check out the link given in this video's description box. The link is to Amazon. So I'm using 5-inch cake tin for this. It's lined with butter paper. You can also use 6 or 6.5-inch cake tin for this amount of batter. Pour in the mixture, and after pouring in, let it sit because it will thicken a bit because the Sooji will absorb all the liquids. So after letting it sit for 15 minutes, put some grated dry fruits on top of it, like almonds, pistachios. So our kadhai oven has been preheating. It's been 15 minutes. I'm going to place this mold inside, and first 15 minutes I'm going to bake this cake at medium flame, and after that I'm going to lower the flame. So it normally takes 1 hour for this cake to bake because I've used 5-inch cake tin, but if you use 6 or 6.5-inch cake tin, this might be done in 45 to 50 minutes. But if it's not done, you can again cover and cook the cake till it's done. So you can see it's completely done. I'm going to cover and let it cool down, or at least become warm, so that I can demold it. So after the cake becomes warm or it cools down, you're going to demold it. So the cake has turned out really well, nice, porous, spongy. You can see the texture, it looks really amazing. It's nice and moist. I'll cut and show you a piece of it. Looks lovely. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. Enjoy!